In today's digital world, mastering technology is key. And when it comes to office productivity, one suite reigns supreme: Microsoft Office. This suite of software, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, provides the tools you need to succeed in school, at work, and beyond. Whether you're a student writing a paper, a professional analyzing data, or a speaker delivering a presentation, Microsoft Office has you covered. Imagine the power of effortlessly crafting professional documents, analyzing complex data in seconds, and creating stunning presentations that captivate your audience. Microsoft Office makes these tasks, and many more, a breeze. By mastering this suite, you unlock a world of possibilities, boosting your productivity and opening doors to new opportunities. But don't be intimidated by the sheer scope of these programs. With a little guidance and practice, anyone can master the essentials of Microsoft Office. In this essay, we'll demystify these powerful tools, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to conquer any task. So let's dive in and unlock the power of productivity together. Microsoft Word is your go-to tool for creating and editing documents. From simple notes to complex reports, Word provides a user-friendly interface and powerful features to bring your ideas to life. Let's start with the basics. The Word interface is designed for intuitive use. The ribbon at the top organizes features into tabs, like Home, Insert, and Layout. Each tab houses a collection of related tools, making it easy to find what you need. For example, the Home tab contains options for formatting text, such as font styles, sizes, and colors. Mastering text formatting is essential for creating professional-looking documents. Word offers a wide range of options, allowing you to customize the appearance of your text to suit your needs. You can easily bold, italicize, or underline text, adjust line spacing, create bulleted or numbered lists, and much more. Experiment with these features to find what works best for your documents. Word also excels at document management. You can easily save, open, and share your documents, ensuring your work is always accessible and secure. Word's autosave feature automatically saves your progress, preventing data loss in case of unexpected shutdowns. Collaboration is also made easy with features like Track Changes, allowing multiple users to work on a document simultaneously. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to organize, analyze, and visualize data. From simple calculations to complex financial models, Excel provides the tools you need to make sense of your data and extract meaningful insights. One of the keys to mastering Excel is learning keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts allow you to perform tasks quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time. For example, you can use Ctrl+C to copy a cell or range of cells and Ctrl+V to paste them. Familiarize yourself with common shortcuts to streamline your workflow. Data validation is another essential feature of Excel. It allows you to control the type of data that can be entered into a cell, ensuring data accuracy and consistency. For example, you can restrict a cell to accept only numbers, dates, or text within a specific range. This helps prevent errors and ensures your data is reliable. PivotTables are a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing large data sets. They allow you to quickly group and aggregate data, revealing patterns and trends that might not be visible otherwise. With a few clicks, you can create interactive reports and charts that bring your data to life, making it easier to understand and share your findings. Section 4. Microsoft PowerPoint. Captivate your audience. Microsoft PowerPoint is the go-to software for creating dynamic and engaging presentations. Whether you're presenting to a small group or a large audience, PowerPoint provides the tools to deliver your message with impact. PowerPoint's extensive library of templates provides a great starting point for your presentations. Choose from a variety of professionally designed templates that suit your topic and style. Templates provide pre-designed layouts, fonts, and color schemes, saving you time and effort in creating visually appealing presentations. SmartArt is a powerful feature that allows you to create visually appealing diagrams and charts. With a variety of pre-designed layouts to choose from, you can easily illustrate complex concepts, processes, and relationships. SmartArt helps you communicate your ideas more effectively, making your presentations more engaging and memorable. PowerPoint also allows you to incorporate multimedia elements into your presentations. Add images, videos, and audio to enhance your message and capture your audience's attention. You can even embed interactive elements, such as quizzes and polls, to create a more dynamic and engaging experience for your viewers. Section 5. Practical exercises. Putting skills into action. Now that we've covered the basics of each software, let's put your knowledge into practice with some practical exercises. These exercises are designed to help you apply what you've learned and gain hands-on experience with Microsoft Office. Create a one-page resume using different formatting options. Experiment with font styles, sizes, and colors to create a visually appealing and professional document. Use bullet points and different headings to organize your information clearly. Create a simple budget spreadsheet. Use formulas to calculate your income, expenses, and savings. Experiment with different chart types to visualize your spending habits. Create a short presentation on a topic of your choice. Use a template, incorporate SmartArt graphics, and add images to make your presentation engaging. Practice delivering your presentation to a friend or family member. These exercises are just a starting point. As you become more familiar with Microsoft Office, challenge yourself to explore more advanced features and tackle more complex projects. The more you practice, the more confident and proficient you will become. Section 6. Conclusion. Unlock your potential. In today's competitive job market, mastering Microsoft Office is no longer optional, it's essential. These tools are used in nearly every industry, from business and finance to education and healthcare. By developing your skills in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, you gain a significant advantage, making yourself a more competitive candidate for jobs and internships. But the benefits of mastering Microsoft Office extend far beyond the workplace. These tools empower you to be more productive and organized in all aspects of your life. Whether you're managing your personal finances, planning a trip, or writing a novel, Microsoft Office provides the tools to make your life easier and more efficient. So, embrace the power of Microsoft Office and unlock your full potential. With dedication and practice, you can master these essential tools and open doors to endless possibilities. Start your learning journey today and watch as your skills and confidence soar.